Well, this is a very quick and simple video. I made this video 5 or 6 years ago. I'd say a long time ago. And I think I was just starting to make a Commodore video. So here it is, opening your Commodore 1541 drive.
Alright, I want to do this video. This is going to be a series of videos. I'm going to divide this up into probably 3 videos. I'm going to, first of all, we're going to open up this Commodore 1541. So to do that, unplug it, put it on a work surface, flip it over on the back, and you just have 4 little screws to remove here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So we have the 4 screws out. Now flip the drive back over, and the top actually will lift right off. Alright, and just set that to the side. Now there's 2 screws here we need to remove to get this metal cage off. And let me turn it around. We just need to remove this one and this one. So we'll go ahead and do that. I always like to have a magnetic tip screwdrivers or Phillips. So that you see how the screw sticks to it. And now you can remove this cage. And now we can continue on to a few other projects.